got some more basketball in stock, and we wanted you guys to, we had a customer here nice enough to let us film and kind of show you what we have. So we do have select. There's also Prism down there, Optic Hobby, Optic Choice, Select Hobby Hybrid, Mosaic. There's a lot of stuff here right now, but he chose to open up the 2019-20 Select Hobby Hybrid. You're going to get 6 prisms. It says about the rookie jersey autograph disco parallels. Exclusive disco parallels only available in this version. This is 6 cards a pack, 4 packs a box. So go ahead and open this up. We'll show everybody what they can get. We do have more available, and like I said, we do have Prism, Optic, Mosaic, and Select in stock right now, ready to ship. Or please stop in. We'd love to film you opening and show everybody. Obviously, we're looking for Zion, Ja Morant. It's right on the cover. But there's so many parallels in here that are valuable. You know, so many star players. So there's a lot. All right, let's check this out. Here's a first rookie. There's a Joel Embiid Prism. Rookie Cam Reddish of the Hawks. Jason Tatum. Eric Pascal rookie. All right, so there's pack 1. Pack 2 here. There's only 4 packs, so this is not going to be very long. And let's see here. Zoom in. Lonzo Ball. Justin Robinson. Ooh, Anthony Davis. That is Prism. Here's one of the exclusive parallels. Chris Paul, Disco. And then we have, that's numbered to 25. That's nice. Okay. Then we got a couple rookies coming up. There's DeMar DeRozan. Cameron Johnson rookie. All right, 2 more packs to go. Still looking for Zion and Ja. There's so many rookies this year, though. I mean, there's other really good rookies. R.J. Barrett. Oh, here we go. Rookie Grant Williams for the Celtics. There's Paul George. Disco Parallel. Here we go. Rookie from the Pacers.
Goga Badaze.
Oh, there's some color coming here. There's a green one. Hassan Whiteside.
1 of 5.
1 of 5. Hassan Whiteside, 1 of 5. Too bad that one wasn't LeBron, Curry, some of those big bucks. All right, last pack. Looking for something big here.
I may have to break out a credit card.
Ja Morant rookie.
Whoa, Ja. Select, and that's just the base rookie there. Monsieur Little. We need one of these parallels to be big. There's a Disco. Donovan Mitchell. Is that number?
No.
No, not on that one. Aaron Gordon. Bradley Beal. Jarrett Culver rookie. And that is Select Hobby Hybrid. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We have many, many videos listed, many more to come. Check us out on Facebook and our website. We're open Monday through Saturday here. Thank you very much for watching.